Hello, my name is Alejandra Carvajal and I'm going to introduce us to programming CNC with Alpha, G and M codes. Hello everyone, welcome to this CNC programming training session. In today's session, we will learn how to program a machine using Alpha, G and M codes. These three types of codes work together to control every aspect of CNC machining, from program identification to cutting movement and machine auxiliary function. We will be working with Alpha codes for identification and organization, G codes for movement and machining instruction, M codes for auxiliary functions like spindle and coolant control. At the end of this training, you will also see three complete CNC program examples that combine all three codes type. Example 1, drilling a hole. Example 2, milling a rectangle. Example 3, turning on a lathe. Let's begin with Alpha codes. Alpha codes are not machining commands. They are used for program identification, assigning a number to program so the CNC can recognize comments, adding not in parentheses to describe operations. Tool or operation labeling, indicating which tool is being used for which part of the job. Why Alpha codes important? Because they make your CNC program human readable. Without them, the program would just be a list of commands with no explanation, making debugging and maintenance very difficult. Example of Alpha code usage. Here, 01001 is a program number. Drilling program is a command for the operator. In a real production, a company may have hundreds of programs stored in the machine's memory. Alpha codes allow an operator to quickly find and identify the correct one without guessing. G codes, preparatory functions. Now let's talk about G codes, the main language for telling the CNC machine how to move. G codes can control positioning, moving the tool to a location, cutting type, straight lines, arc or drilling cycles, units and modes, working in millimeters or inches, absolute or incremental positioning. Some of the most common G codes are G00, rapid position, G01, linear cutting movement, G02, circular interpolation clockwise, G03, circular interpolation counterclockwise, G17, G18, G19, select machining plane, G90, absolute programming, G21 programming in millimeter. Example: moving to a point and cutting. G00 X50 Y21 move quickly to X equal 50, Y equal 25. G01 C minus 10 F100 cut down to C equal minus 10 at 100 millimeter per minute feet. It's important to remember that many G codes are modal, meaning once you set them, they remain active until another command changes them. For example, you set G01, all movements will be couldn't move until you use G00 or another motion code. M codes, miscellaneous function. The third type of code is M codes. M codes handle the extra machine functions that are not directly related to movement, such as starting or stopping the spindle, turning coolant on or off, changing tools, ending the program. Common M codes include M03 start spinning clockwise, M04 start spinning counterclockwise, M05 stop spindle, M08 coolant on, M09 coolant off, M30 end program and reset, spindle and coolant control. M03 is 1200 start spindle clockwise at 1200 RPM. M08 turn coolant on. 3 CNC program example. Now let's combine everything with 3 complete CNC program example that use alpha, G, and M codes. Example 1. Drilling a hole. Objective: drill a hole at X equal 30, Y equal 40, deep of 10 millimeters. G90, G21, absolute positioning, millimeter units. M03 S 100-2000 spindle on clockwise at 1200 RPM. M08 coolant on. G00 X30 Y40 rapid move to position. G01 C minus 10 F100 cut down 10 millimeters at feet rate 100 millimeters per minute. G00 C5 retract tool. M05 stop spindle M09, cool enough, M30, and program. Today, we're learning alpha codes, organize program and help identify them. G codes control the movement and machining paths. M codes handle machine function like spinning and coolant. By combining them, we can program CNC machines to perform precise drilling, milling, and turning operations. The three examples that we saw today are just the start. You can adapt this program for more complex parts by adding more command tools, change, and cycles. Thank you for watching and encourage you to practice reading CNC programs using Alpha G and M codes so you can become confident in CNC. Another example are mill a rectangle G90, G21, M03, CS 1500, spinning on clockwise at 1500 RPM. M08, coolant on, G00, X0, Y0, start position, G01, X50, F200, cut first side, G30, cut second side, G0, cut third side, Y0, cut fourth side, M05, stop spindle, M09, coolant off, M30, end program. And the last example are turning on a lathe. Objective: turn a cylindrical workpiece down to 20 millimeters diameter. G90, G21, M03, S1000, spin on clockwise at 1000 RPM. G00, X22, C0, rapid move to start position. G01, X20, F0.2, cut down to 20 millimeters diameter. C minus 50, cut along length to C equal minus 50. G00, X100, retract tool. M05, stop spindle. M30, end program.